I'm Deborah Gartenstein with Quirky Gourmet. Today I'm going to show you how to make a roasted pumpkin dip. Now when you roast a pumpkin, you make it smooth and creamy, so you really don't need to add much else to it to make it dippable. Now I've used a small pumpkin because you use a big one, you're going to get more dip than you can possibly eat in a sitting. I roasted it in the oven at about 375 for about 45 minutes or so. Your fork should be able to go into it kind of like butter. Okay, and while I was roasting it, I also roasted some onions because, the oven was on. They have some really nice flavor. I'm gonna add some lemon, some olive oil, Now I'm going to mix this with a little bit of yogurt. And the reason I don't put the yogurt in the food processor is because the food processor breaks it down and makes it really liquidy. And you want your dip to be kind of thick and dippable. There's some yogurt, a little bit of salt. And then I'm also going to use some seasoning salt. This has some rosemary, some lemon peel, but there are all kinds of lovely, just commercially available seasoning salts out there. And any one of them is going to make your dip taste good. And there you have a roasted pumpkin dip.